Hi people of YouTube. Yeah, hi. Today I'm doing a slime video. So I've got this slime here, so I'll just get it out. It's really good. Just like do it. So this is really cool. Like literally, it stretches for miles. It's really cool. I'm at my my dad's cousin's house too. So whoa! Yes, caught it. So yeah, today I'm gonna be just messing about with this slime and talking about stuff to you. So I'm right now on holiday and I'm in Cornwall, and so it's really cool. This is outside. It's not that great. I haven't seen much sunshine this time, but it's still nice, and we might be going to the beach tomorrow, so I might do a video on that if I take my iPad that I'm filming on. So it'll be good, and I've locked my phone so I can't actually talk to my friends, which is really bugging me. And yeah, but I can play with my iPad and play with slime. And then the next video that I do is probably going to be later on today with fidget stuff, so like fidget spinners and like fidget remotes. So and a bit more of this slime. So it's going to be really fun. Yeah, comment down below what else I should do in my next video. If I get no comments or no good ones, I'll probably be doing either another slime video, video on the beach, or probably fidget videos, fidget things, and then a bit of slime. So yeah, so I'm going to just play with this slime with you. So